Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Advocate Adil Ali. Today with my message, I am highly grateful to the chairman person, Party Zadari, and rest of the central leadership of the Person People's Party. Along with this, I am highly grateful to the provincial president of Mother Wing Person People's Party, Nisar Ahmed Khorasab, and Qazi Bashir, who is the president of People's Lawyers for Sindh. And I'm highly grateful to my big brother and the president of Pakistan People's Party's senior leader for Karachi. He's been one of those who have sacrificed a lot, Mr. Sayyid Ashok Hussain Naqvi. I'm highly grateful to him for indulging me in his team and nominating me as Vice President for People's Lawyers for Karachi Division. And I assure with this position, I take the responsibility on me, and I'll be keeping the sovereignty, and I shall keep and carry the legacy of martyrs, and we being the custodians of democracy. I assure that we'll be doing our best to do the better, and what we have done before, we should be doing more, much more better than that in future. And I assure to the chairperson of this party that wherever we are needed and wherever we are required, till the last moment, we shall be here by your side. And definitely, with the responsibility that I've gotten by this People Lawyers Forum in Karachi, I feel profound, and it's a pride for me that I'm going to be the part of the team, those who actually laid the foundation of this party, that is lawyers. And I feel overjoyed. I'm overwhelmed. I'm highly grateful to you all. Thank you so much.